Okay, good evening to everyone that's locking. Good evening to my Facebook crew. Good evening if you're joining us for the first time. We call this an Upnlive show. We're here each and every Tuesday at 9 p.m. Right here. Remember the show is sponsored by
Shush Print, and we are produced by World Mag. So people, remember the YouTube channel, seeing, subscribe, and just hit the notification bell.
Yep.
So you know when time a video drop, you get notified. Seeing?
Simple as well. All right. You know, each and every week we normally bring to you a special guest inside the studio. Like no other week, we have a very special person here for the first time. I don't really know much about this artist, and I'm intrigued to find out a bit more. So I hope if you're watching right now, you will be intrigued as I am as well to get some of the information for the artist. So let's not waste no more time. Right now, I don't know if I'm going to say the name right. If I do say it wrong, please correct me when time you forward to the talkerphone. All right. The name is BMF ALZ. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Good evening. Welcome to the show, sir. Good evening. Thank you for joining the Upnlive team.
Come on. We're here, man. You didn't ask what the BMF stands for.
No, we haven't get to that, brother. Calm down.
Yeah,
he just jumped the gun, sir.
Yeah.
Easy now.
Sorry, let me take time.
Take a sip. Hold on. Take a sip. Sip break, cause that will calm me down. Don't ask me when I'm a cup though. Good. Good evening. Could you just introduce yourself and tell us who is BMF ALZ?
I can swear, right?
Well, you can, but I wish you don't.
Time for double check. All right. I'm fortunate. I'm going to a lot because BMF stands for big motherfucker.
Is it?
Very controversial. You see it?
So why you the choose such a name though? Why?
Because I'm a big motherfucker. Yeah.
Oh, seeing?
Anywhere I go, the presence is felt.
Oh, seeing?
Is that?
And ALZ is short for my real name. You get me? BMF ALZ. Big motherfucker ALZ. Yeah,
Okay.
man.
So how we get a name there still?
At the first me hear this.
Do you know what?
How we get a name there?
It's a weird story. You see, ALZ, I got that from my science teacher. He used to call me Al all the time. I thought, you know what?
No, I was referring to the big motherfucker.
That's me. You know, I'm a big motherfucker.
I never smart it look by you and say, there's a big motherfucker that's still, you know.
Did you think I was small?
Eh?
Did you think I was
I
small?
don't know, ask them girl.
Oh, yo, the popcorn when I say shh. Yeah. Let's not get carried away. All right, BMF is here. Can you just tell us what kind of artist are you? What kind of music do you do?
Right. The kind of artist I am. I'm a creator of musical artistry. That's what I call myself.
I was referring to like genre. Do you do a particular genre?
I don't have a. All right, cool. I'm more in the urban scene, of
Okay.
course. So that will be your Afro swing, your dancehall in a way, your rap. You know what I mean? But again, I don't like to put myself in one category.
So basically, you're like Cleopatra, right? You know, they are not. You know, one of them creative artists, they don't want to box themselves in a nothing.
Yeah. Perfectly said. Cause you see, with my thing, I'm sure you've had my brother Silver here before. He told you on the.
Okay, so Silver is your brother.
It's my brother from another. You get me?
Okay, all right, that's
Godfather to my.
That's
first
experience. The beard as well, you know.
Yeah,
Silver.
man, do you know what? Listen to this.
Yeah.
I was showing my daughter a picture, going through, showing her Silver. I said, "Who's that?" It's you, Daddy. That's Uncle Silver.
Yeah.
You get me? And we've been going through that for years now. But
yeah,
that's my brother, man. You get me?
We big up Silver, of course.
Silver inside. You get me? But so yeah, you heard him on the last time he was here.
Yeah.
We got a tune on the lifestyle rhythm.
Okay,
as you know, it's a dancehall rhythm. But I came with the Afro swing touch. You can hear the Caribbean influence on it, but I came with the Afro swing touch.
But Caribbean music and African music is so
very,
close.
Very close.
It's very close. It's
Trust
just
me.
the beat and the drum pattern is just slightly different.
I think it's a mixture of dancehall and soca.
In a way, you could say that.
Yeah,
you could
because
say
like I see a lot of aspect of the Afro beats where I say it's not predominantly dancehall, it's more soca than dancehall.
It's Caribbean
influence.
influence.
Yeah. It's definitely Caribbean influence. But you see where I'm from Congo. Yeah? And one thing I always say, this is aside from the music, Congolese people and Jamaican people are very similar in the sense that we like to dress loud.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
As I say, that is true.
You get me?
As you see a yard man, you see, to be honest, since I moved to the UK, I was one of them, I wouldn't say illiterate, but illiterate to like Africa and different countries. Because once you say Africa, we just think say I just want Africa.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I just one place. Everybody know what they live near Africa.
That's how I grew up. I'll be real with you. That's how we grew up here in London.
No, because like
a few years ago.
it's always been educated about our history, because when black Black History Month now. So
Listen,
let me
I
just
heard you say it
educate you
earlier.
now a
You
bit
have
now.
to
So
educate
seeing,
them, man.
so you see, how we've been taught about Africa.
Mm.
Like Africa always considered as like one country.
Yeah, yeah.
They don't
yeah,
consider
yeah,
it as
yeah.
a continent. When they talk about Europe, they talk about Germany, France,
Yeah,
Spain,
yeah.
Italy,
Listen,
everywhere.
yeah,
Seeing
yeah.
when you come on to Africa,
You just see
everybody
Africa.
stick on Africa, no matter which country you come from,
There you
whether
go.
south,
I
north,
get it all
whatever.
the time. I get it
Yeah.
all the time. Trust me. You have to explain
It is
to me.
wicked. But apart from that, tell us about yourself. You as a person. Who is
Right.
us rather
Who
than
is
the
Alz?
BMF
Yeah, don't
part?
worry about the BMF. You can call me Alz or Alzy, whatever you want to call me. Right, Alz. Where can I start? I'm a father, first of all.
Yeah,
Father of 4. You get me?
active.
You know what? Every time I say 504, that's what the people them say. So I have to.
It's
get
good.
technical.
I'm 4 as
No,
well.
but listen, I have to get
So
technical.
we are active as well.
Hey, I forget active,
Yeah.
man. Come on, man. Hey, like you said, Valentine's soon far. Come on, you have to get active, you know?
Don't get more active though. Calm down now.
No. Hey, I'm done for now. Listen, obviously everyone says that when I say I got 4.
Yeah.
So I have to get technical. I don't like to, but I have to. The first 2.
You don't have to, brother.
No, just a quick one. The first 2 I took on, you get me? So, I remember when I first got into their lives, it was like, stepfather. I was like, me? Never. But you know what?
Yeah.
I'm no longer the stepfather. I'm the father that stepped in.
Of
you
course.
get me?
Wicked.
So they're
Wicked.
my youths. And then
Wicked.
after that, we had the next 2, you know?
That's cool.
So, yeah,
No,
man.
big up yourself. We need more man
Yeah.
like you in a day.
Round of applause, Alzy.
Big up Alz.
Yes,
Don't-
sir.
I'm
Yeah.
trying, you know? Come on.
Of
But
course.
yeah, man.
Ladies, give him
So-
some forward here.
Some girl look him and no one else say a good man. See them all look,
That's
yeah.
So you were brought up here in the UK, or were you born?
Yeah, born and bred here. I've only been to Congo once. And that was 3 years ago now.
So what they look at you when you go and say, "Oh, English boy, come back."
Listen, I remember one day I've gone out jogging. Everyone's looking at me like,
Why is this?
he's not from here.
Yeah, 'cause
He's not from here. You get me? And it's not even like I was dressed a certain. Like I was jogging.
no,
But they could smell it almost.
brother, let me tell you why. The first thing you do, wrong. Yard man and black man, we not jog. We jog a go. If me go back on my yard now and start jog, they must say, "Yo, Rick, mad. Inga foreign go to mad man."
Anybody jag in our country play sports.
Yeah,
And they don't know you're a sports personality, so
jog.
if you go jag now, they must say, that boy the madman, his son a get him head. As what them say for us English folks, if you live in England for over 5 years,
Yeah.
they must say, the ice in my head, man.
Ice and iron, man. Yeah, man, right, man.
Yeah, ice in my head.
So you Congolese,
Yeah.
part Congolese, part you born in the UK. You grew up in here,
Born and bred here.
schooling here in the UK as well,
Everything. School, college, uni, all of it. All of
and
it.
then music.
Yeah.
You got
so-
introduced to music. How did that happen?
Do you know what? I've been doing music for time. Been doing music for time from way back, from grime days, you know. But obviously fell off, matured, as
Yeah.
I thought I did anyway.
Become BMF.
That's later on. That's
Ah,
later on.
Cool.
So yeah, like I said, stopped doing music, but I've always been a big fan of music. I've loved music. It's not just like, I like that song.
Yeah.
I like to listen to the sonics, the melodies, and the message behind the tune. You get me? Always been my thing. And then we started properly, me and my brother Swagger that's here, we decided to start properly 2 years ago.
Okay.
There's a certain song that came out, obviously big up the artist, he done his thing. But for me, I was like, that song is too dead. I can't believe he made it. I'm very talented. And this isn't even in an arrogant way.
So tell me the artist look at me, I look at me, I try to figure out.
It's a UK tune, innit?
Me I go find out.
It's a UK tune, and it blew. And I was like, rah, if this brother can do it, then I must can. You get me? So that's when I started, like I said.
I think me know what we might talk about. Still.
You'll find it. You can't find it and play.
Yeah, man. I can't find it, but in the summertime, so you know it's still kind of cool.
Do you know what? If
Yeah.
from time you said summertime, you might even know it.
It's
You
still
get
kind,
me?
it's still kind of
you
cool,
might
you
know
know.
Is
So
it-
all right.
Is it a weather talking about? Is it hot?
Not really, but around the
Lord,
time
that's
it
something,
came
brother.
out,
Left
and it
that
blew,
alone,
and-
Leave that alone, brother.
Trust me.
All right, continue.
But yeah, so from there, like I said, me and Swagger, we were literally joking around, like, we should do this. Then one day, I thought of a little freestyle. He came to my yard. I remember I was even playing Call of Duty. I was like, yo, I got a little something for you. He heard my bars. He was like, bruv. Even my girl, by then, I think we've been together 2.5 years or so, had our first year, you get me? She heard me and she was like, rah, I didn't know you could do that. You get me?
Yeah.
Cool. From there, we started going studio a bit more. One day I butt Silver, showed him a thing. He's like, rah, yeah, we're ready. Let's take over. You get me? So that's been, like I said, that was 2 years ago now. Imagine. So we've been going studio. I've gone to so many different studios, but many different engineers until I found, for me, the engineer. Big up my guy S, S&M Studio in South London. You get me? And when
what clicked with S&M? What happened?
Do you know what it is? We, like I said, we went to enough studios. We obviously recording different songs, finding ourselves, melodies and whatnot. But when we went to that studio there, you know when you have a connection with the engineer, it's just like...
Yeah.
It
makes it easier.
Yeah, he's playing in the beat. He knows, he's finding your tone and he's... You know what I mean? All these little things. From there, we just said, yeah, we ain't going nowhere else. You get
with the stick and steel. That makes sense.
Yeah, man. And then literally like a year ago, I told myself, I'm not going to call myself a singer, but I never thought I could even hold a note. I promise I will never ever sing like that's not me. My voice is too bassy and blah blah.
But the game has changed so much.
The game has changed.
That's what I realize now is you don't have to be that perfect singer like Whitney Houston.
You don't.
It's just the melody.
Trust
That's what
me.
people. Because if you listen to Popcorn song, Popcorn is doing singing songs and he's not a singer.
And he's not a singer.
But it sounds good.
There you go.
Simple.
And let me tell you something. BMF ALZ sounds good too.
Listen, we're gonna prove.
I'm hitting some notes I didn't know I could hit.
Okay, listen.
Get me.
Malako, you big up yourself now. Because we have some viewers and some people who watch the show.
Yeah.
Them dark.
Yeah.
And them tell the truth.
I like that. That's what I need. You see me, I always... Now, my missus always say, I don't know, you don't like it when I criticism, you know? Nah. You see my thing? I like criticism. At first, you might see my face a bit. But try know I'm going to go and... You get me?
Okay, all right. So tell you what, we're going to get to that. Yeah, because we're going to have that time. So the viewers who's watching now, when they come to the time, I'm showing you the answer. You're ready for him. When they tell me the truth, all right? But until then, pause for now. But you now doing your first song. The first recording for you was what song?
Oh, it's a freestyle. Yeah, it's a freestyle. It's called Flavors Freestyle, talking about the different flavors of weed and them thing there.
Okay, so he's a weed man.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You know,
Ganja farmer, man.
You know, to myself, me I think to them, me they at work, and me I drive, and me a man, me not smoke.
Okay.
Me bra off on the weekend, Friday, 2 or 3 drink, me drag them out.
Yeah.
But me just come to myself say, me need to try smoking. At least one. Me don't know that's random. That never coming in my mind.
Yeah, go on now.
Yeah.
It's a weekend.
Yeah.
May I get this something? Then may I roll this something. Then may I give you a draft for this something. See what I go on for you after. Yeah.
It's something, all right.
I mean, I want me immigrant to them. I want them send me down, you know. So yeah.
Trust me.
To be continued. I know, but when I'm gonna try smoking, I'm gonna do it under supervised conditions. So me not smoke a road. Me smoke on my bed in so. So me feel off on my way. We go lie down. And then if come in and know me I go react, I never smoke before.
Make sure, because the weed you get in this day and age is a bit, you get me? So, like you said, supervised environment.
Okay, cool. So, right, people, if you're just joining us, this is BMF ALZ is here. He's just giving us the name for the abbreviation. Okay, let's like that.
We'll leave it as that. You get me? Big
right,
mother, shut your mouth. You get me?
If you can just tell people like how to find you and find your music online for us. I know it's BMF, but you spell it for me.
So, Insta, Twitter right now, BMF ALZ. It's literally the letters BMF ALZ. Facebook's coming very soon as well. Right. I'll be honest, there's not a lot out of there, but there's a lot coming.
All right.
You get me?
And we'll be looking forward to that, and we are anticipating to see that.
There's a lot coming. I shot a video, when was it, man? Last week, 2 weeks ago. Shooting another one next week. Going studio on Sunday. Going studio next week. Work after work, you know. Okay,
so when you get these projects done, make sure we send them to us so we can
100%. Come on,
get a look, and then even if a video we can play a little video and I think you know we go.
So
and you know, you see this show will be real to you if it's anyway. I wanna like it and a garbage. We are to the dog or shit. Because you know, you see this thing where I mash up our little fraternity,
music,
our business as a black business. Too much man because you know the whole banter and friendship. Yeah man, it sound bad when it in your heart you know a fucker.
Yeah. You see that? That's why within the past, let's say 3-4 months, I've actually been studying music. Where I've had the passion and whatnot, where I'm now going into the music game, I've been studying music from like even down to YouTube and Instagram algorithms, the kind of team you need and things like that. And the people that I've now gathered around me, they're the type of people who say,
make it happen.
yeah, first of all, they're 100% behind me. And secondly, they were saying, don't know if that one's going to bang. I don't know if people are going to like that. And you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't want the people that, yeah, that sounds good. Nah, can move from me. I don't need that. I need people who will tell me, like, even listen to this. Last week, I sent my guy, obviously, like I said, Silver, I sent him a beat, said, boom, gonna do this, do that. Sent him a little video of the hook.
Yeah.
He's like, nah, listen, ours, we're coming in this game to take over.
That's a go on.
That chorus there's
No,
a bit
brother, listen to me now. Listen to me now. Cause you know, yeah, fire some big shot, you know. So you what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna scout a light talking, and we're gonna just do a little something.
What's that?
Him know what go on.
Yeah, know. This is the
that?
part
The
of
part
our
of
live show. Name the
Dragon
freestyle,
Starter.
cause we not pay nobody no money for coming and come say nothing.
All right.
So we just put on a beat and talk some bars, see?
All right.
So you put on a beat and talk some bars on Facebook,
Yeah.
and we nice you can judge you the hot or not.
Right,
I
we
will
live.
tell you.
So I can't.
Yeah, you're live.
I'm joking.
All right. Go on.
You done gone a long time, man. People, this is BMF as live in the Upnlive show. Right now,
Yeah.
freestyle. You ready?
Oh, all right. Okay, I got you. Look, yo, BMF ALZ, you already know. Yeah, check it. Look, when I first started the music thing, I said I gotta make discount like voucher. Hold it up like a belt, there's trousers. Ain't nobody leveling, no one around us. Like Groupon, gotta make discount. ALZ, I'm after the big pounds. Money off a mate that he needs to retire. Mama needs a big house. Check the flow, check the melody. Flow sick till they want no remedy. From the gully like my bar, though. All I need is weed and Hennessy. Oh, check the punchline. Focus on core, not crunch time. Switch up the flow, I can bring it back like I got some consign. Big motherfucker, you know everything turn up. If you act that niggas run up. Yeah, I'm freestyling, going off top of the dome, and I'm trying to take over. No, this is not Rome. Look, as I go in, if it ain't about money, then please don't call my phone. Listen, I'm just trying to get my dough, trying to get my bread, trying to make that butter. ALZ's a madman, yes, I'm a nutter. Your girlfriend's a mess, clutter. ALZ's a madman, nutter. Listen, don't talk stupid, stutter. Woo! Is that what you did? Alright!
Now give me some butter already, man.
Yo!
Alright.
BMFS.
Look,
Ready?
yo.
Let's go.
I said, baby, slow down, let me talk to you. She looking at me like who you talking to, babe. I know you saw the dripping, I was walking through. Now it's peak cause I made a ski in the back seat. Cause hey, let me speak for the depot. They be blowing that green like she CeeLo. The bitch said I look fly, kinda like CeeLo. Snatch that, babe, I stay fly like the G-Force. Stay fly like the planes, them. God's got me, Satan. She scratching my back like a panther. Shawty looking for vibranium. I know say you wanting me, and you know say you want me too. So please don't front on me, come back and crap on me, boo. And I know say you heard about me, it's that big mother, it's true. But you can call me ALZ, go on to your best friend about me too. Yeah. Are you trying to catch me off for that? But don't worry,
No, go on for the beat, go on for the beat, go on for the beat.
You ready again?
Look. No, man. Yeah, alright, let me give it to them. Listen. Yo, look, be my Akis with a salam alaikum. We don't like pigs, fuck bacon. Couple of my G's shoot like Quason. Grind till I buy my Jamaican. Sorry, I met me son. See one thing. Hey, yeah, we would like be. I'm feeling that one there. Give me that one. Woo!
Ready?
What? Like Wiley, man, are too bossy. Fam, it's hot, toasty. Flow cold, frosty. Listen, you can never vibe like me, no you can't. I was trying to make my money and listen, yeah. We're lit.
BMF.
I was just playing with it, waving on it.
In the building.
Trust me.
Of course.
So,
a chat up.
people wanna say go on.
Make sure you comment in. Make sure you tell me up or
go on. No, me see some fire up on the screen. I want some fire up on it.
Fire up the
yeah,
man.
completely
Some fire.
Yeah, fire up on it. Yeah.
Is it real? Is it fire?
I burn out
Yeah,
there.
some fire up on the screen still. No whole heap, but you know, some fire up on
Fire
the
up there.
screen.
Alright.
Yeah.
So people, that was BMF has. Before we go, can you just give us how people can find you on social media?
Right, so yeah, Insta, Twitter right now, BMF ALZ. Facebook's coming soon.
Yep.
I'm gonna have, like I said, I'm gonna make a YouTube as well. Yes, I want to use the platforms, but I want to show the people them I believe in my own source.
Of course.
You get me? So the YouTube's coming soon. Everything, the stream services, Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Music, all of that. The music's coming very soon. You know what? I'm gonna give you lot a deadline. End of the month. You're gonna see a lot from end of the month going forward.
Wicked.
Better yet, 2nd of May. That's my birthday. Yeah. EP release. Fly with Ours. Yeah.
Respect.
It's coming. You know what? Better yet, it's ready. You lot are not. You're not ready for me. Cause I'm too prepared for the game, man.
And I ready for you, man. That's it.
Nah, I'm telling you, you're not.
Of course.
I promise you not. Cause when you hear it,
All right, we're out of time, right? So thank you very much for passing.
Nah,
through.
love, man, love. I appreciate it.
Of course.
Big up everyone inside. Tanique, you lot, you heard her socials. Follow her up.
Yep.
Events. You know what? I might have to shout you for my EP launch. You know.
Yeah, see that? Making the docs, connecting the docs, all right?
Connections.
Thank you very much for passing through this evening. That was BMF ALZ. If you're on the Facebook right now, good evening to you. If you're just joining us, you just missed a powerful show. Also, you can go back to our YouTube channel. It's called Upnlive Show. You can see this interview if you missed it, and you can also see the other ones. Remember, the show is sponsored by
Shush Print and is produced by Roller Mag Entertainment. So people stick
Yes.
and stay right now at the braffing time. See it?
You see it.
We're not going to pay no bills, but we are got the bar. All right, let's